Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps so you can link your custom domain and make your Bolt app live online. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Open the My Products page and find the domain you want to connect. Click Manage DNS to open your DNS settings panel. Next, open a new tab and navigate to Bolt.new. Open the app you created and make sure it's already published. Click the Settings, gear icon, then go to Server Functions. Select Domains and Hosting, then click Connect a domain you own. Enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and click Verify. Bolt will display the DNS records you need to add, such as alias or CNAME. Keep this Bolt window open because you'll need to copy the details. Now, switch back to your GoDaddy DNS settings. Under the Records section, click Add and create the required entries based on the instructions Bolt provided. Add the CNAME record, fill in the host and points to fields, and save your changes. Once your DNS records are updated, return to Bolt.new. Click Verify or Check Connection. DNS changes can take a few minutes, but in some cases it may take a few hours for full propagation. Once Bolt confirms the connection, your GoDaddy domain will be live on your Bolt project, and that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your GoDaddy domain to Bolt.new anytime.